My fiancé told my daughter I'm not your effing mom. My fiancé and I have been together for 5 years and we met when my daughter was 8 months old, and she's been the only person my daughter actually knows as a mother. My fiancé was pregnant, but after getting into an accident in March, she lost our baby. She was then told that she could most likely never get pregnant again, which crushed her. She's been in grief counseling ever since and things have been getting better. Our baby was supposed to be born this Monday, and that has really affected us, and it's been a really bad week for her. 3 days ago was the due date of the baby and my daughter was refusing to go to bed that night. She was crying and was having a meltdown. After a while of that, she repeated mom once again, and that's when my fiancé yelled I'm not your fucking mom followed by some other stuff. My mom was in the room, heard that, then got my daughter. I lost my temper and went off. I was just so angry. I understand she was under a lot of stress and it was a bad day, but just thinking about the fact that will most likely be a core memory for my daughter forever is upsetting. From the day she was born, it was just me and her, and then I met my fiancé. It was risky getting into a relationship that early, but it seemed to work out. What she did heavily impacted us to the point where I'm considering breaking up. I'm still so angry, and I don't know if that feeling will ever fade. Is it worth staying in a relationship with someone when I can't help but not trust my child around them?